let's learn the most important compound in chemistry, and that is sodium carbonate. We will first learn its physical properties and then chemical properties and then uses. Let's study step by step. Common name is washing soda. Because it is used for washing purpose, it is commonly called as washing soda. Second, its chemical formula is Na2CO3, or dot. In some books you will find 10H2O. Now this is something which is very unique about this compound. These 10 water molecules which are there in the compound in the beginning only, they are called as water of crystallization. We move ahead. Nature is going to be crystalline because it contains water of crystallization. When I say crystalline, that means they are rough to touch in the form of crystals. Let's move ahead. Color. Its color is going to be white again. Its solubility. We take this and we dissolve in water and we will find it is completely soluble in water. And like before, we now do litmus test. We make the solution of sodium carbonate and we put litmus paper, and you will find this time also red turns to blue. Now because red turns to blue, we call this also as an alkaline compound. It is basic in nature. Let's move ahead with the study of chemical properties. The first chemical property is effect of heat on sodium carbonate. What happens if we burn this? Let's understand. On heating, sodium carbonate loses its water of crystallization. Very, very important reaction. So Na2CO3.10H2O, that is sodium carbonate, when we heat this, it is going to release all its water molecule and it becomes anhydrous. Now when I say anhydrous, it is without water molecule, and without water molecule sodium carbonate, in common word it is called as soda ash. Let's study something very important, that is effect of acid. Reaction of acid with sodium carbonate. So when we take sodium carbonate and add acid into it, it forms sodium chloride plus water along with the release of carbon dioxide gas. Very important characteristic of this gas. Let's understand something more about it. When we take sodium carbonate and we add hydrochloric acid, we already know the product. The products are NaCl plus H2O plus carbon dioxide. Now this carbon dioxide gas, we test it with the lime water and it turns lime water milky. To balance the reaction, student, we just have to write here 2 HCl and 2 NaCl. That's how the reaction is balanced. Let's study most important thing, and that is uses of sodium carbonate. Why do we study this? Of course, they have multiple uses. Use number 1, it is used for, or it is used in washing clothes. It is used as cleansing agent. Very, very important use is this. The second use, it is used in softening of hard water. When I say hard water, what is that? Water which has salt in it and it does not lather. That water is called as hard water. So to make that hard water soft, we use sodium carbonate. Water without salt which lather is called as soft water. Let's move ahead and study something most important. It is also used in the manufacturing of detergent, powder, paper and glass. And the last use, it is used in refining of petroleum. When I use the word refining, means purification. So these are the most important uses of sodium carbonate. Wonderful compound and a wonderful substance it is. Let's study something more about salt in next module as well.